Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive 11.4.7.3 aerial perspective video. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
Okay, we need to stop. There we go. There we go. Come on.
Disengage.
Yeah, because I wanted to. There we go. Wanted to jump lanes on me. Stopping for a red light. Pretty day out.
Yeah, I'll take it. Hey,
Slightly overcast.
nice wintry fall day.
Mm-hmm. Might have to change this playlist on the next stop.
Playlist's not great.
Normally the jazz station's pretty good. Oh, we could always put on the Christmas album that we like.
I don't want to get copyrighted.
Fair enough. This isn't bad. How are we doing on the breeze up there?
Well, on a hover, it's fine. I'll let you know once we get.
Well, I mean, yesterday, even just trying to hover, and it was like, wee.
Yeah, it's not as bad. I mean, I'll be going into a small headwind, but this isn't too bad.
Okay. Giving a little bit of a oomph to get through the intersection. See, Lightning, you don't want to be like the guy in front of us. Take up 2 lanes. Seriously.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Like, it's not like it's gotten better.
No, it's yeah.
There we go. Oh, I found it.
There's a lane.
There it is. Come on, a lane. I need you to pick
No kidding.
at this moment. You are crossing it. See if it jerks over.
Is it in this?
No, it's right before the church.
It's not this one. I mistakenly told Yuri the other day that it was this one, but
No, it's right before the church. Sometimes it's very rarely this one, but it's always right before the church.
it's this one right here, isn't it?
Yeah. And
Yep, there it goes. So you notice, guys, from the air, it's diving into that left lane, like we've commented on this build before. And you notice from the air right there, you can see that it just needs to proceed straight. It doesn't need to dive into the left lane and select with a turn signal and all that nonsense. And the interesting thing is that we don't have that problem with other areas on this road. It just does it there pretty consistently.
Normally I go around this guy, but we're doing drives. I don't know.
At 28 miles an hour, I'm ready to go around him.
Yeah. All right. Oh wait, he's turning. Yay!
It's like at 28 miles an hour, I'm ready to go around him.
Woohoo!
Holy. Did you just get your license?
Or are you drunk off of Sunday church wine?
I can't keep up with you, so you need to slow down just a little bit.
Let me get over here and I'll slow down. There you go. How's that?
That's better. I'm catching up to you now. That was a small headwind up there, so I can't do.
That's fine. That's why I said I wasn't like gun-ho to get around that guy.
You can go a little faster now. You can pick it up probably 40.
I'm going 39.
That's fine.
This reminds me of like they used to say like, oh, easy, like Sunday morning. You just
Yeah.
get in your car and go for a little drive. Good job. Hey, it picked the lane and everything. Good job. Wasn't that little oopsie left where it tried to go left? Navigation's been pretty good.
Yeah.
See, I have to tell you, FSD is so very, like when you go to the eye doctor and you get your eyes dilated.
Oh, yeah.
Nope, that is not your turn.
I'm going right to go left. A few disengagements on this drive.
Oops. Sorry. No, it wanted to go left back there. And I'm like, that's not a turn.
Because we want to turn left up at that intersection up here.
It's where those cars are.
Yeah. And should start doing it right about here. There it goes. And slows.
Hey, it didn't stop.
Yeah, that was nice.
That was a very natural turn. I appreciated that. That was a super natural turn. 'Cause normally I have to like give a little oomph to go. Alright, let's see if it gets in the turn lane again.
Just looking to see where the power lines were at.
Probably hard to see on an overcast day.
It was very hard to see, so that's why I hung back for just a second. Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another aerial perspective of Tesla's 11.4.7.3 full self-driving software stack. Thanks for tuning in. Jesus Christ, it's a mouthful.